Hi guys, Pavel from Imotd speaking. In today's unboxing video, we have this Corsair SP120 RGB Pro fan. So without further ado, let's take some sharp tool and check what's inside the box. Okay. Horrible delivery. They already damaged my box. Some papers like Chinese warranty, you can check. I don't know how you, but I'm not sure and I can't read it. Definitely important thing. Okay, fan itself, quite easy packing, but pretty enough. So let's open it and check what's inside. Well, not much, just the cables, and I would say quite a bunch of cables. But first, the cables are pretty long, which is fine. That's a good start. And the fan itself, nothing crazy. RGB is in the middle. Fan is spinning, that's fine. Well, no rubber corners, what a pity. But never mind. So now let's go and check the stats of the fan. Okay, let's quickly close the box and have a look what we have. Dimensions: 120 millimeters, 25 millimeters thickness. Just normal. Max airflow: 52 CFM. Not great, not bad, kinda average. I can handle it. Max speed: 1400 RPMs. On the other hand, if you take into account that the fan in max RPM run only, and I would say only, 1400 RPMs and has CFM, I would say 52, then I would say it's pretty solid. So not bad, Corsair, not bad. Noise level: 26 decibels. It's like, yeah, but on the other hand, it's 1400 RPM and 26 decibels. It is louder than it should be on this, I would say, not only mid-range but more or less low range of RPMs, or somewhere in the middle in terms of average RPMs of standard 220 millimeters fan. Max static pressure 1.45. That's low. This is definitely not a radiator fan. Or yeah, if you would have push-pull configuration, then well, it's not bad. It's not bad, but I will definitely not use it for high-end systems where you need to cool the bigger cards, the more power-hungry CPUs. And what's a bit special, there is only 3-pin connector, not 4 as it's, I would say, standard. And then there is a RGB connector. Something else, something else, something else. I don't see something else. So we are at the end of the video. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like, share and subscribe, and see you with the next one.